Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create quiz in Jotform. So all you have to do is head over to Jotform and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Then from here, start by clicking on the create button. Then since we're creating a quiz, choose form. So from here, you have an option to create a quiz by using a template or a smart PDF form that will be converted to an online form and e-sign forms or simply import form. You also have an option here to start from scratch for you to be able to customize and create everything on your own. So we can try using a pre-made template just by clicking on it, and we can start searching quiz. Then click on the search button. And from here, you should be able to see a variety of quiz templates that you can use. Say, for example, we're going to use this online quiz template. Just click on use template. And from here, you can easily edit fields. You can even change the question and even the answers on your preference, which makes it creating a quiz much easier. So every changes you make is automatically saved so you don't have to search or look for the save button. And the last thing you may want to do is switch to publish, and you have an option to share this link with your students so they can also have an access to this quiz or share the form via social media platforms or through a QR code. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!